My name is Dayo. So basically, I'm a data engineer, developer, machine learning engineer, so an analyst. Yeah, thanks for having me.
Dayo is one of our alumni at the DAIM here. So I'm going to be asking you a few questions today.
Okay.
Could you start by telling us what motivated you to choose Hull as your choice of university?
Yeah, so date back to 2021.
Hi, welcome to our first edition of DAIM Alumni Series. My name is Oyinkosola Onchekwa, aka KKC. I'm a PhD student and research assistant here at Center of Excellence for Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Modeling. And with me here today, I have
It's Dayo. So basically, I'm a data engineer, developer, machine learning engineer, so an analyst. Yeah, so thanks for having me.
Dayo is one of our alumni at DAIM here. So I'm going to be asking you a few questions today.
Okay.
Could you start by telling us what motivated you to choose Hull as your choice of university?
Yeah, so date back to 2021 when I was like looking at travel to Nigeria. Then I was researching to see which university is going to offer me what I want in terms of career advancement or job opportunity. Then this University of Hull was like offering this discount. Then it was about £9,000. So I was like, this works with my budget, and the time is like student friendly, affordable in that sense. So that was why I put in, and I got the program, and that was the motivation, like something that will align with my budget, like what I mean. So and then coming in, like the module and everything, the course outline and everything aligns with what I want as a data person, because I have a background in Python development as a Python developer. So coming in and all that now, so the way I introduced to data engineering, to AI data science was really amazing. And yeah, so that's the motivation. The cost, the town, it is student friendly in that sense. So yeah.
Yeah, that's very true. Hull is very student friendly.
Yeah.
Could you tell us a few skills that you developed during your time here at the university?
Yeah, so basically, starting as a developer, I'm not really good at writing a lot. But when I came in here now, I have to write a lot. For instance, there's this course called fundamental of data science. You have to write reports, apart from coding. I'm a programmer, but you have to write reports and all that. So I developed my writing skills then, trying to match all these academic writing. So that was developed. I increased my Python programming. Then again, the way analysis was improved as well, because most time you have to source for data on user repository and start working with those data sets. And again, now, so you have to do research, extensive research, and converting theory to research, and to actual development. I learned that all through this university. Yeah, so
Wow, that's really interesting. So would you say these skills have impacted your personal and professional life? And if yes, could you give us examples?
yeah, so yeah, that's true, because for instance now, my project was on the forest fire detection, and basically almost source for data sets, which I did on user repository. However, it was just like if I just get the statistics, the analysis done within just the notebook. But because of the skill I've amassed now, I was build mail application, deploy them into Heroku Cloud, which is even online now. So basically coming in, there's a lot of motivation to do more, to go extra. So basically now, I was trained, and I was like, okay, fine, this is not waste. So that was why I converted my learning to actual software development, and that was what introduced me basically to being a developer. So
That is amazing. Love that for you. Did you do any projects here that completely stood out for you out of all the ones that you did during your time at the uni?
yeah, so the project which I did was the one on forest fire detection, in which you can just interact with the web application. It tells you if there's before if there will be fire or not, based on temperature, rainfall, wind speed, things like that. So building that application and deploying them into the cloud stood out for me, to be fair, because I went beyond just writing projects and doing theory work to actually building an application.
Yeah.
So that was stood out for me 100%.
I like that DAIM is very hands-on and practical in terms of projects.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So how did the learning environment try to support your growth or your understanding?
Yeah, so during my time here, I had a supervisor, is Dr. Tariq.
Oh, yeah.
So there's this time in which there's several appointments. Like I meet up with him, I tell him what I'm going through. Like he puts me through a lot of materials and all that now. And so again, I had this team like, coming to the class, we're into two clusters.
Yeah.
So definitely there are things like, okay, fine, you work with other people, don't just work alone. And again, now, the lecture were always recorded, so you can always like go back to it and refresh your learning and see. And once you get blocked now, there's someone to unblock you, because we'll come to class with the same motivation, aspiration, and we share learning and all that now. So yeah.
That is wonderful. I definitely agree with that.
Yeah.
Did you face any challenges here at the uni? And if yes, how did you overcome them?
Yeah, so basically the challenges I faced was actually, which is normal thing, which everyone coming in from, my background from Nigeria will face a international student, just like, juggling between part-time work and studying in that sense. So I asked like, okay, fine, this particular time is for work and this particular time is for study. So that's challenges now. So what I did was just like, I spoke with my employer, see, I can only work on weekends, so that Monday to Fridays basically for academics. So that was how I was like, skill challenges. So I know when it is Friday, that's work.
Yeah.
To the weekend, but Monday to Friday, I'm like working on my projects, assessments, I'm just building projects and portfolios.
Yeah.
So that was how
And I think that's a very useful skill to have, knowing how to prioritize and assign different times to different tasks when to do. Yeah. That's wonderful. How has your career evolved since you graduated from the uni?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Kevin Pimblett, and I'm the Director of the Centre of Excellence for Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Modelling, otherwise known as DAIM, here at the University of Hull. We run an MSc conversion course in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science here at the University of Hull. A conversion course takes in students from a wide variety of different backgrounds, not just STEM subjects, but arts and humanities and everything else in between. We upskill them in data science and artificial intelligence, and we do that through a series of bespoke modules, starting with Python programming in the first few weeks of trimester, leading into introductory materials in understanding artificial intelligence and the fundamentals of data science. We've just built a new building that you can see all around me. This is a £4.5 million investment by the University of Hull, and a strategic decision to invest in artificial intelligence and data science for the long term. Here at the University of Hull, we offer the full breadth of artificial intelligence and data science. We have elective options in a range of different subjects, from ethics right through to AI in healthcare, and a lot of others in between as well. We like to have our students on campus for one full day per week. That's from 9 AM right through to 6 PM. What this enables is for our students to manage their own time, so that if they have a job for which they might be going part-time, they can do it for the rest of the week, and therefore they can have that full day on campus learning and doing all the programming that they're required to do. There are a variety of reasons why our students choose the University of Hull as their first choice for an MSc conversion course. Not only do we upskill our students within the areas of AI and data science, but also locally this is one of the best regions in which to study. Here at the University of Hull, we offer the widest variety of different training courses in AI and data science. We also offer bursaries that our students are able to apply for, so if you are female, black, disabled, or from a low socioeconomic background, as might be judged from the higher rate of student loan, and you are a UK citizen, resident, or settled status, then please do consider joining us.